Peyton. Caleb. Look at all these trains on the floor, you guys.
Mom,
Daddy set up trains.
Mom, we need to take some trains off. Don't have a no control.
Find the controller and move them. What do you guys think about the trains being set up? Pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Don't we have to touch the train to start it? Touch them? Like that one. See him? Oh yeah, GeoTrack. It's coming right by your guys' feet. There it comes. Look at that, Caleb. It's the train set.
Mom, this one not go. Mom, one is crap.
Oh.
But that one is crap. Fix it, Mom.
That was pretty cool. Daddy set up the trains, huh? Peyton,
Fix that crap.
are you happy Daddy set up the trains? You fixed the crack. Show me.
I can't. I can't do it on the carpet.
Okay.